So my name is Scott Anderson. I'm with the paramedic supervisor with Southwest Health Systems. I work with the ambulance, and I've been a paramedic for 34 years. And that way, just take a tour of our new building, and also I'd like to give you a tour of one of our newer trucks. It's a 2017 Type 1 ambulance. It carries a total of 3 patients, and it's got the modern technology of LED lighting, along with a type of hydraulic suspension that gives more comfort to the patients, especially if they're uncomfortable with broken bones and things like that. So it's a Ford 350. It's got a nice command center in it. We have all the radios and attachments of everything that we need as far as communications through our community. And it's as far as it being new, it has the modern technology and safety technology to protect our medics. Nationwide, ambulances have been as part of a safety concern, and so this typical design was that you'll see in the back was designed by Matt Lindsay, our chief of EMS. Back here we have the hydraulic system that lowers the rig down, makes it easier for the medics to get the ambulance cot in and out. Okay, and then all the supplies are right here to the rear. So when we're working accident scenes, traumas, we're working even the acute medical scenes. We don't have to jump in and out of the rig. A lot of the guys hit their heads up there. So to prevent that, we bring all of our equipment to the back. We have the modern type safety concept, and you'll see that when the old ambulances, they have the old bench seats, and these have the forward-facing seats and the 5-point harnesses. I'll bring that up to you inside here. From here. This concept of the forward-facing seats allows the medics to also work on the patient or patients, and be completely secure by the safety belt system. All of our equipment is attached, so in case of a rollover or any type of an accident, we don't have debris flying everywhere. And our patients more secure, and then our medics are more secure. So we can transport a total of 4 patients in here. We have 1 in the middle, 2 on each side, and then we can put 1 over here if we need to be. They call the walking wounded, but acute patients. So in that concept, we can bring this down, and a backboard can be applied here if we have multiple trauma patients, like we do. And most of the time when we go south or even up north area, we have multiple patients during traffic accidents. So we can lay them across here and still do some quality care. This ambulance is built from Seattle, Washington. It's a Braun North Star, and it has all this type of safety equipment and new modern technology, even a heating concept where we can take a hose, and we have a hypothermic patient. We can run right off our heater, stick it into the heating blanket area, and keep the patients warm. Very happy to have this ambulance. It's a very good investment. We feel that we've moved up in the world as far as safety and the quality that we can perform on our patients back here. Okay, so welcome to our training center. This is where we train all of our EMS and then also give them continuing education. Currently, we have EMT classes going on. EMT Basics class is just finished with some good graduates. And then also we're just now in the process of an EMT Intermediate class, which will bring advanced life support to the community. In this training center is basically for that education and others throughout the hospital, and this is used even for the public. It's a fantastic center. In here we have quality type of equipment, a modernized equipment, advanced life support type of equipment that we can teach our medics out there to do not just the basic care, but the advanced life care. There's quite a bit of time goes in here. Our education coordinator, Justin Lindsay, has put this together and put our programs together and does a very fine job.